You can see piecewise, the word it's got pieces in there. We're putting pieces of different graphs into one graph. That's all we're doing, like a puzzle. Another word for that is a hybrid. What do we mean by hybrid? What's a hybrid car?
Mixture of gas and
Electric and gas or petrol, yeah. Okay. Gas if you're in America. So, for example, we have a piecewise function. You'll know that you're dealing with a piecewise function when they started off with a whole heap of questions together, equations. You've got a function that is made up of 3 equations. And you have to just treat them all normally together and start cutting things up. For example, negative 2x plus 1. We know that that intercepts at 1 and it rises or goes down by 2 and across by 1. Or it goes left by 1. That's another way to do it. And goes up by 2. So I know that y equals 2x plus 1 does this. I hope so. I'll just try to get as accurate as possible. Just don't want to make a mistake. Right? That's y equals 2x plus 1. But remember, each equation has a domain. Our first one only wants x is less than 0. So I'm not going to roll up the whole line. Where do I want to start and which direction do I want to go? I know at x, we're going left. Is that right?
Oh, no,
yeah. Less than 0, we're going to the negatives. So that's what we're doing here. Now, I have less than 0. For this equation, do I want the 0? Or do I want to leave it alone? We leave. How do I illustrate that on a graph?
Not shaded.
Open circle, not shaded. Okay, that's what we want. We're done. Equation number 2, x plus 1. We all know how to graph x plus 1. It intercepts at 1 and it rises 1 for 1. So I'm going to do that here. And it goes across there into here. But we're only interested in from 0 to 1 equal. So I'm only interested from there to there.
How do you add a colored one?
How do I add a colored one in? Good. It just overlaps the colored overlaps the empty. It fills the hole. Like that. Okay? Lastly, 3x minus 1, or x greater than 1. I know that I'm going to start my intercepts at negative 1, up by 3, across by 1. Up by 3, 1, 2, 3, across by 1. Here. So it does this. The real line does it. But I'm only interested in the line after 1. After 1 is after 1 here. Okay. 3 graphs into 1 to make one huge robot, whatever, all combining. There are no gaps. It's all continuous. They're all linked together. Okay. What's the range of our function here? What's the range? 1 to infinity. Square or curved? Okay. It's square. Yep. It's a curve. Because 1 is coloured in. Okay. Be ready. Be ready for that sort of question. Okay. Last bit. I'm just going to switch.